Hello, everyone, and welcome back to day 2 of Build My Life by Pat Barrett. Yesterday, we learned verse 1 and verse 2. Today, we're going to learn the chorus and the bridge. Remember that I am left-handed. That means if you are right-handed, you're going to mirror my signs. If you look below the video in the description, there's a link to print off lyrics. And last but not least, please consider subscribing to the channel. Okay, so chorus. Holy, there is no one like you. H, cross your non-dominant hand. Holy, there is no one like you. So there isn't really a sign that you have to use. If it's important to the sentence, you can. It's kind of like there, okay? And it's also directional. So in this case, we're talking about something figurative. We're not saying like, it's right there. So it's up to you whether or not you want to use it. There is no one. Okay, so you make your O's, no one. There's no one like you. That's a Y going back and forth. Some people might do it like this because it's between no one like God. I like to just keep it down here. There is no one like you. Okay, and there is none. Once again, same sign, none beside you, beside. Okay, so you take your dominant hand showing beside you. And then open up my eyes in wonder. So some people might just do this with their eyes. Open up my eyes with wonder. I like to do open up my eyes. Okay, so it's up to you. Open up my eyes or open up my eyes in wonder. So for that, it's almost like you're holding a bottle and just kind of going across your jawline. I'm amazed, incredible, okay? In wonder, and show me who you are. So I'm going to be really honest with you guys. Probably 75% of the time, I sign show me backwards, okay? So your non-dominant hand is supposed to be out like this, and your dominant hand is showing your index finger, okay? So often I do it like this. Try not to get my bad habit. It's my one right-handed sign. Okay? So show me who you are. Who. Okay, so thumb at your chin, and then you're making the top of the question marks. Who, you, pointing to God in heaven, and then are. Okay, so you have your fingers like that. Who you are. Fill me with your heart. So for this, your non-dominant hand's like that, and you're showing like a full cup. Okay, fill me with, two fists together, your, and then heart, making heart shape, and lead me in your love. So there you're going to pull your hand, okay? Lead me in your love to those, pointing to other people, those around me. Okay, let's try that from the top. I know it's a little bit of a tricky section. Okay, so holy, there is no one like you. There is none beside you. Open up my eyes in wonder and show me who you are, and fill me with your heart and lead me in your love to those around. So your index or your dominant index finger goes around your non-dominant finger there. Me. One more time. Okay, guys? Holy, there is no one like you. There is none beside you. Open up my eyes in wonder and show me who you are, and fill me with your heart and lead me in your love to those around me. Okay, so it does that, and then it goes back to that verse 2, and then it goes to the bridge, or actually repeats the chorus, and then it goes to the bridge. Now, I really love the bridge. I find that when he sings it, he emphasizes each word. So when we're going to sign it, we're also going to put extra emphasis on each word, okay? So I will build my life upon your love. So I, pointing to yourself, and then will, okay? Your hand is coming out into the future, okay? I will build, okay? 2 fingers building on top of one another, okay? I will build my life, L's towards your stomach and then up to your ribs, life upon your love. It is a firm foundation. We're going to say strong, and then foundation. You have your non-dominant hand here, and then you punch to show the strength, something underneath, okay? Strong foundation. Let's try that from the top of the bridge. So I will build my life upon your love. It is a firm foundation. I will put my trust in you alone. I will put my, and then trust, it's like you're hanging onto a rope. Okay, trust in you, pointing to God at heaven, and then alone, you kind of go around and show that it's only that one, alone, and I will not. Okay, so kind of have a thumbs up coming out from your chin and shaking your head. Not be shaken. Okay, and then just something holding as if it's shaking. Let's try it from the top of the bridge. So I will build my life upon your love. It is a firm foundation. I will put my trust in you alone, and I will not be shaken. Try it one more time. So I will build my life upon your love. It is a firm foundation. I will put my trust in you alone, and I will not be shaken. Who's ready to do it together? Okay, chorus and then the bridge. So, holy, there is no one like you. There is none beside you. Open up my eyes in wonder and show me who you are, and fill me with your heart and lead me in your love to those around me. And then the bridge. Now remember, I like to hit each sign. So I will build my life upon your love. It is a firm foundation. I will put my trust in you alone, and I will not be shaken. And that's everything you need for the course and the bridge. So when you're ready, I'll see you in the next tutorial. We're going to sign all the way through from the start to the finish. I hope wherever you are, that you are healthy and that you are well, and that I'll see you soon. Bye. I hope above all that wherever you are healthy and that you are well, and that you always remember that God cares far more about the condition of your heart than the position of your hands. I hope you have a great day. Bye.